Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta only with pasta masala. First, gather your ingredients: pasta, your favorite pasta masala mix, and some optional vegetables like onions and bell peppers. You'll also need a large pot for boiling the pasta and a separate pan for preparing the masala. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get that pasta cooking. Fill a large pot with about 2 liters of water and bring it to a rolling boil. Add a generous pinch of salt to the water. This seasons the pasta from within. Carefully add your 250 grams of pasta, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. Cook for 8 to 10 minutes or until it's perfectly al dente. While your pasta cooks, let's prepare the flavorful masala. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a separate pan over medium heat. Add your chopped onions and bell peppers, sautéing them for 3 to 4 minutes until they become tender. Next, stir in your pasta masala mix. Add a small splash of water to create a smooth, aromatic paste. Finally, it's time to bring everything together for a delicious meal. Drain your cooked pasta, but remember to reserve about 1/4 cup of the starchy pasta water. Add the drained pasta directly to your prepared masala sauce. Pour in the reserved pasta water. This helps create a silky, cohesive sauce that coats every strand. Toss everything gently until well combined and serve immediately. For more great deals, including the Oala water bottle, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.